Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Salesforce tutorial, we are going to learn how we can enable the Apex class access for a profile in Salesforce. So if you are working with Apex classes, Visual Force pages or integration, giving the proper access is very important. Without access, user may face error while using features. So in this video, I will show you what Apex classes access is, why it's important, and step-by-step process to enable it, some best practice for admins. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first we need to understand what is Apex class access. In Salesforce, Apex class access controls which users can execute specific Apex classes. Even the Apex class is present in your org, user unable to access it before giving the permissions. This is Apex class access, we call it as. So this is mainly used for custom business logic integration, controllers for Visual Force pages, and backend automations. Why Apex class access is important? Security control, restrict the unauthorized users, feature access, required for custom functionality, integration support, needed for API based operations, avoid errors, prevents insufficient privileges errors. So then how to do that? First we will go with one requirement, then it will more easier to understand. So currently in my navigation I have an object like receipt. So in this receipt I will open any one of the record. So you can see I have this current record. So in here I have one button like new receipt. This button is completely developed by Aura component and Apex class. So currently what happened, I will try to create new record. I will fill all the records. I just fill all the records, just try to click on save. Currently I am getting like error. You don't have access to the Apex class named receipt controller. If we want to use this functionality, we need to enable the access for that particular Apex class. Then only this functionality or this Aura component works properly. So then how to give that? I will go with step by step. I just cancel it. Click on setup. Go to setup. In top search bar, search Apex classes. Open all your Apex classes. You can see the list of Apex classes. So we need to search that particular receipt controller. So in here we have a receipt controller. Just click on security. So currently we have all the profiles in here. Whatever you choose the profiles, the enabled permissions only can use that particular functionality of the Apex classes. So our current user is, or profile is system administrator. I will just click on that system administrator and add that to the enabled permissions. So then I will click on save. So once I saved, again I will go back to my tab. I will just make one hard refresh once. Now I will try to create new receipt again. So now I just click on save. So now the record is created successfully. Now this Aura component working properly. Now I am able to use that particular Aura component and its Apex classes. So this is how we can give the permissions for that Apex classes by using profiles. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.